All right, looking at simplifying radicals. Okay, I already started on a few of these. On this one here, radical 48, we break down the 48. That's what we have to do every time. And we look, after we break them down, at the prime numbers. And whatever we have pairs of, like this pair of 2's, that sends a 2 out of the radical. Here's another pair of 2's, that sends a 2 out of the radical. But this 3 right here does not have a partner, so he stays in the radical. So I've got 2 times 2, which is 4, and this radical 3. On this one I got 21, which is 3 times 7, but there's no pairs here. So this one doesn't simplify, it's just radical 21. Now number 3 here, let's start breaking it down. So 240 divided by 2 is 120. 120 divided by 2 is 60. Circle my 2 because it doesn't break down. 60 is 2 times 30, circle the 2. 30 is 2 times 15, circle the 2. And then 15 is 3 times 5, circle the 3 and then circle the 5 because they don't break down. So you only look at the circled ones that are broke down prime numbers that can't break down anymore. All right, well there's a pair of 2's. That's going to send a 2 out of the radical. There's another pair of 2's. That sends out a 2 out of the radical. This 3 right here is stuck. He doesn't have a partner to pair up with. This 3 right here is stuck. He doesn't have a partner to come out with. So I've got 2 times 2, which is 4, and it's radical 3 times 5, which is 15. 4 radical 15. Okay, here's another one, 480. All right, 480 divided by 2 is 240. 240 divided by 2 is 120. 120 divided by 2 is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 is 3 times 5. And there's all my primes right there. Okay, now what do we have pairs of? There's a pair of 2's. That sends a 2 out. There's a pair of 2's. That sends a 2 out. Stuck, stuck, stuck. All 3 of those are stuck. They don't have partners. So 2 times 2 is 4. And I got 2 times 3, which is 6, times 5 is 30. 4 radical 30. Okay, on this 24 here, that's 2 times 12. 12 is 2 times 6. 6 is 2 times 3. All right, there's what 12 is, or 24 is. All right, so I've got a pair of 2's. That sends a 2 out. Now notice there's already a 3 out. Stuck and stuck. So 3 times 2 would be 6, and then 2 times 3 would be 6 in the radical. So 6 radical 6. Same thing here, I got this 5 out. When I break the 40 down, 2 times 20, 2 times 10, 2 times 5, and there you go. Well, there's a pair of 2's. That sends a 2 out. Stuck, stuck. So 5 times 2 would be 10, and that's radical 10. 10 radical 10. Okay, what about number 7 here? 5 radical 12. I'll break down to 12. 2 times 6. 6 is 2 times 3. And look there, I got a pair of 2's and a stuck 3. So that sends a 2 out. 5 times 2 would be 10. And I got the 3 stuck. 243, 2 don't go in it, but 3 does. 3 and 81. 81 is 3 times 27. 3 times 9. 3 times 3. Okay, there's a pair of 3's that comes out. There's a pair of 3's that sends that out. But this guy's stuck. He stays in the radical. So 4 times 3 times 3, that's going to be, was that 36? And I got this 3 stuck. So this 3 stays in the radical. Okay, 9/16. First, what you want here, I'll tell you what, let's go to number 10 first. Then we'll come back to that one. 20 divided by 4 simplifies to 5. Okay, and then you try to break down your 5, but you can't. So that's it. 12 divided by 1 would be 12. Then you can break it down. So this is a pair of 2's. That sends a 2 out. Okay. So it's going to be 2 to the radical 3. All right, now going back to this one. See, this 9 over 16, that doesn't simplify. So what we can do there is we can just break it up. Radical 9 divided by radical 16. And then 9 is 3 times 3, so that's a 3. 16 is breaks. It's just 4. Square root of 16 is 4, so that's just 3/4. And of course, this one that simplifies to a 1. So it's the square root of 1, which is 1. Okay, so that's a little bit about simplifying radicals, and hopefully that'll help you. But if you need more help, just yell at me and I'll help you anytime. Have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye.